you can go and burn the sea. Nobody gives a hoot. You are even proving to us to say, that office now not a business office for you. What at all do you need there? It's why Chief Justice you did everything. You took judges with you as your lawyers. You took former Attorney General Otuko another man who contradicts himself even when he is eating. You got the guidance of Sophia Kufu, another hypocritical state council member. Sam Okujato, another hypocritical liar. They followed you, supplied you with all the knowledge. Still, you could not make your case. Now, Mamin Chiro Bibi, Yewura Madam Fie. Egigim. Mamenka Madam Torkono asem entitled Old Woman. Former Chief Justice Madam Torkono files action to stop vetting and appointment of Bafuboni as Chief Justice. You see, former Chief Justice Madam Torkono, Ekufuado's judge, Afenyomakins blood. And also on Tino Huase. Adanya, or say, Ceciano, Chief Justice, to be Mr. Bafubonia, President Mahama nominating Parliament ebe vetino no, but I'm talking wako court. And wakacha court say, court and stopping no. Mema court emma sa vetino maso. And mema court so emma ya enye appointing se on Chief Justice of Ghana. Madam Torkono. Osono maame say, or no on tiase, the sense of entitlement. The sense of entitlement. Mami way, I don't know, nipa bia se mi o maka to ni trim. She feels to say, I say Ghana no, ne maame dia, ne papa dia. Now I ne nim style be. Like she believes to say, or no, your pay. And also Ghana Constitution yemano. Inti the nauseating part of the whole thing is on 1% Ghana yenye be Chief Justice or no say yen stop it yen jai. Hey, democracy is not good for black man. Into atena dem achro nyoma bebre no assign yen fanko court mama ne maso obabasa matarabata yen jai bibia mu. Na on task inti mama yentumi ma yenkoye enyim. Hey, ohianangaza onye. Now it's so despicable when these things, you see these things. Now only nyoma na obusa court is a court in Yamano. These are some of the things she was asking the court to do for her. Munsho muntio and a Friday. I say Justice Torkono, restore withheld salary and benefits. Or say, or shagana for, or shakot and say, or no. Na ketu ya kebuno. And then the benefit be an uncle or set court in the manner. Or say, she is asking the court to compel government. So Bronika say compel. Obi ye bibi no the brofo be say compeller. Or say or no. Or catch the court and say court and shabang. Authority. The arrogance in her statement. She is asking the court to compel the government to pay her salary, benefits, and entitlement that were due up to the date of her removal. Or say, now our salary be also tianeka, and the benefits be an anchor and saka. Into our shakot and say, I bind tiamano. La ilaha illallah. Osuru amio. Idea be no also busa or say stop the appointment of a new Chief Justice or say or no court no Chief Justice now President appoint here ye ba be vet no amana be the Chief Justice no or say yen jai yen stop it or no Ghana Torkono to say anadubia or no lieutenant na wada. I'm very sure say anadubia Torkono enom lieutenant kakra si nchen onom oni problem yentwa ne kanem enti okasa anyhow Torkono ombobo eye tent man freman tutu ko danti ni trim ye ne de odi tofi wono to me hwe sa anadubia oye lipton tea kakra no de hane asom na odi alewa hye de to na ɔte ɛyɛ de rolling chair mu na ɔhwɛ TV ne tirim yɛ ne dɛ eh Torkono me a sure pass anadwo bi ɔyɛ lifting tea na ɔde honey kakra som na we yi alewa 55 de bi black and white ɔde ahyɛ de to ne to yɛ ne dɛ na ɔte ɛyɛ de reclining no sɛ de ɛde chair mu na ɔhwɛ TV ne tirim yɛ ne dɛ organize yie ɛma insul toye ɛma mframantu ɛyɛ tent nkoda onye ɛyie ma ginyame nkonnwa bɛ 13 embubu mi enda ne kada onti nyoma bi ase Torkono tirim yɛ ne dɛ onti nyoma bi ase onye wedding ayi wedding jollof memu nhie ma mmomu ɛma amanfo bi nka sɛ mundi onhu bi da on said organize party man fantifo mba yɛ beto party ne ho da even party so na wayɛ tan onhu bi da inti ne tirim yɛ ne dɛ ne tirim yɛ ne da ma ne to yɛ ne dɛ inti na yɛ no chocho sansem we no ne tirim na yɛ ne dɛ Gertrude awo utim yɛ de papa awo Gertrude utim ɔyɛ de papa utim na nkasa na ɔyɛ de na nka utim nya de wa ka de mensam nkan trom brain de yɛ nkenkan mfanti de do onum lifting tea or the honey kakegu no de tonton ba kwatum na wayi alewa hye de to reclining chair na ohwe DSTV anything na mani kaka sansem no osa say she seeks an injunction to halt the appointment of Chief Justice Paul Bafuboni as her successor, arguing that the process is premature and unlawful while her challenge is pending. I say on tiasie. Madam Torkono nanga say on shedan for bentu anko batum say okosa a later ohun say bentu anu ho apai into the droguma o miano na efa nchen na entumi kole ohun bibi sa da onyam eduro say okosa abra na bentu anu ho apai a oduru batum ode eduro gu mu no ode so bentu anu entumi ntwi eduro no ngum ohun nyam say bi da ongyina kokone na mu ndware da inti ni tirimu no oye broni into ochocho brofo oso ma me ohun ye wo papa utim oye wo dew utim na ye wo de na ye ni asem ya ka kire utim ya wo da ma oto ya wo de inti wo hyera je say u feel so entitled I say fia konwa na wudi asesegwa no ye ntwetwe hu fa mesu papa dem Chief Justice akonwa no why need to say I say udi efia konwa ye ntwetwe asesegwa no fa mesi dem ma wo na ye fa ntwere bebi akoraba wo no inti ya onti ase now nyamani bia obusa na bi nie udi Torkono echi abeboni o challenge the grounds for her removal or say or check out and say ye ye no onti ase Torkono ita ji jollof pa o Torkono wo hwe na ope eye de infant dokoro eye de eye ice cream ka ye de ideal milk wono ankasa no otumi se otaye eye ice cream ka or the ideal milk guma otumi hwia na oyi nani na odi nkoma so what are you saying oh because milk na o hwe na nya ni sika do to enti onti ase Torkono ntie nyoma bi ase me hwe to ice cream ka ofia ono iso ideal milk o hwia on checke na nka o hwie na nka wo te pepa de bi abobode ahya no e de kosi nsuoma akasa nyoma we ka o tro right. We take grab ya. We Torkono. Sanka milk na wonum no fie ni Carnation milk no ene eye ideal milk no. Sanka wo hwie na nka wo jabi e na wo te pepa de bi e de hyehye ho de si nsuoma. Kasa nso monyomonyo nka wo tro. But me sure say wo hwie milk kura wo ncheki bebi edu. Dia kana da to ball em nti. Wutim ya wo de. Osono maame. Osaso say prohibit denial of courtesies of just say courtesies of office. Sorry. She wants the court to prohibit any action that deny her the courtesies, privileges, or status due to former Chief Justice until just I didn't kind of quite ya. Just Torkono no. Why no ni pebi why se mampam. O yure no ho a obetumi a issue utwa ni ti a obetumi a hang wo dem uyi ni ti ni dompe na obetumi a exhibition ono asa ni pa ko na se o wuro no ho a obetumi a belt Torkono no so ejejefo. Now the seriousness of this is that what Torkono is asking for is simple. Torkono is telling us to say or no as a former Chief Justice or respect the Constitution. Torkono is fighting the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. She is undermining the Constitution. Remember, the removal of Torkono was activated by the Constitution, not an individual. And the Torkono is in court today fighting the Constitution, meaning she herself, being a former Chief Justice, has never respected the Constitution of the land. Because one, the process that she went through, it was basically activated by the Constitution. The people who were involved in that process were all under oath, and they were instructed or guided by the Constitution of the Republic, from the president to the last person on the committee. In today, when you are telling us to say a process a constitution they are to amaye disu nyina abesi na at the end of the day eye committee no what they found na ye di samra no so no ono pakache said the constitution is crazy. This is what it means. The same constitution that Torkono does not respect, she is insisting that the same constitution should compel the court to give her what she thinks she deserves. This is the double standards about this woman. The same constitution she doesn't respect. She wants to instruct the court through she wants to instruct the court by using the constitution to do what she wants. Now, in the same constitution, I won't respect it, no. Because all respect the constitution now, the process you went through, it was a process the constitution basically put together for all of us to go through. It order on sa left way 82 and order on sa right way. This is what Torkono is doing. Order on sa left 82. We are now order on sa right now but the as a and she's telling us say these two things she's doing. The same constitution you are not respecting, you are directing the constitution to do what you like. How do you get these two things at the same time? Ya bro, the court, the Chief Justice position, it is not for you. It is not for your father. It is not a bona fide property. You are a normal civilian. Get that in your head. You have been sacked. You have been fired. You were sacked because of your misconduct. If you can't get over this, at a point we all felt to say, you were supposed to be listened to, but your arrogance, your disrespect for the Constitution, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? They are equally intelligent, smart women who can do the job you were doing. It is what Beshawna say at the end of the day, Wabumraso, na emrani we dia. What at all do you need? And now you were not ready to exit. And Ekufuor them gave you the assurance that you are young and that you can do damage till you are 70 years. Maybe that is the thing that is going through your head. You have done your best. The Constitution says go home. What do you need? Why have you become an insect right now? You are pestering. What do you need? The sense of entitlement, the arrogance in your language. It does not matter what you do. You are not going back to the court. You are not going back to the Supreme Court. You will never be Chief Justice again in your life. You will never be Chief Justice again. Maybe your husband and your kids, they have not made you understand that. You will never be Chief Justice again. It's better you start thinking of another thing to do. Find a hobby. Find a hobby. Stop these things of distracting us and disturbing Ghanaians. Say you will never be Chief Justice again. You can never be Chief Justice again. What do you need? What kind of some selfish behavior is this? You have been sacked. Finito. Case die. You are done. This is pure comedy. The Constitution you don't respect, that Constitution is not going to give you any hearing here. So the process will go on. The nominated Chief Justice will be vetted and he will be Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. You can go and burn the sea. Nobody gives a hoot. You are even proving to us to say, sir, office now not a business office for you. What at all do you need there? It's why Chief Justice Bema Obewana. We keep saying women are strong. You did everything. You took judges with you as your lawyers. You took former Attorney General Otuko Otu. Another man who contradicts himself even when he is eating. You got the guidance of Sofa Kufu, another hypocritical state council member, council of state member. You got Sam Okujato, another hypocritical liar who says he's a former state what level. You got all these people in your books. They followed you, supplied you with all the knowledge. Still, you could not make your case. Yanya wodeng. Yanya wodeng na wope. Tetina na Ghana no, amanfo bijin say yomudia na enye obiem saa wo. So, Avenger. Araba Avenger. Osono mame, let it go. Let it go. Me mana moto Elsa. Let it go. And the dien. Me de bia to fufuro fia. Let it go. Let it go. And the dien. Because you buso mo. Because I knew David Aminim to yes Elsa. And I say on about Bluey crumple and I like Bluey a little bit. And I'm with fufuro biaba. I traveled recently when I came back, now the new one biaba. And also cry me new man too. De bia me nkora we de nyomfo froba. Daddy, do you know this one? Me nkora yi. Ebu ana me ni omudi nkomo. Na Zara an assistant. Betumi can word be. Ebia the thing is supposed to be maybe your palm. And betumi ka so bring your hand or something. Na me manage on that. Betumi you so word be no maka said word way there it's wrong. Me can word way I must say. Me mayo, me kabrofu yo must say. Last time can say masa. Muntu me tente ni pani jachu ho, me baby be free ba no. I am from far away o. Me bayi me kabrofu a osida bi weti. Me kabrofu ya me bayi so weti. And I'm saying America na oba no. Otumi ka de bi America for brofo me say we no. Wo ha ukrum ha na wo nyini ye. O tanyema wo ti ase. Inti nyoma bi wo ha aya na me baby am free ba de entanka. Inti afei na miss also no dad got to say me say that be and then assistant no come so di chire ai that's wrong the future was azmo why lucky ben to any ha akekedro ni ha masa ankora we stress me o metumi ni omudi nkomo ya hwebu via na maka word bi so that's wrong me say word ye krom sa na e ka no intimi na maka say maka cho ma me say ka chiro nkora no me anya ha na mko KG o into science and be mechanics and far. Mom from pressure me do so more stress me. I'm for credit him a hard guy. Na me befia na say mo kabro for na me beka bia na me come dia mo say I dey make me say bibi word be. Last minute Zara Kasa or say or say minimum word be. Enye cool or ka say omo new word be aba. Zara o. I found Zara the 8. Word be or say that do you know this word steez and okay word be and I'm so what does it mean? And just steez some word and I'll say what you don't know and I'm Zara maybe kromanya na ewo me masa de nkura we de nipa okroma na mo ma me na mo sere e de say de me ti kroma no minim de ekọ me say na come me kwatu busam word bi na me busan say na wo pese o kire sen you be a din komo nice na makoka word bi nkura say me word na me ka no just say any dictionary me so hey international school Ghana and then ka encourage someone to say in America bitino me rekura ho that was Torkono be stress ni pa me free na me koduru fie sisia na ye di nkomo a me ka word bi me ma na me ka sa word ne de e na sa word no me say me hwehwe word that day me tina ho sam say hey koda afi me to sam say na nkura we kura me kura mba na mo disturb di pasa ye kura mu sa question we to be stress ni me say masa mo de mo am nkura okura mo am nim America for nkura San Koran America for Ngwara. Ja, omo ye stubborn o. Omo man nipa che say, e ma school ko nyina utumi say na me teacher no boda man na. Me teacher for so no mabon, o ma ben. Utumi say na word we may use from tetina may use be the BT girls near the day me the account me the points nyina. Me man utumi say sa word no nya word na nkora ne sere. Me tumi say me na from Kevin Taylor no so forget masa. O word ne nye. Things like I'm trying to find basic words that they be almost correcting me. You know, there are some words we use back home. Akayo, we use those words. Okoka, and Uncle Fokano. I'm one word, somebody, Messin Corano. I've heard nobody go and be saying Cora will be doing como. Now, Sakam and assistant, no, Nina, necessary pindo, can be all you too. Yes, that. Yes, it is true. But the sister, I actually sister, that is true. Now, I call we are some of the is true, is true. And then anything about over Jadi or what they are coming be also different. A Chinese sister and cat brofubi. Now remember church no just no that Zara is right. Me say now brofu penalty. Yeah, go for it. In some kebiana montiasi o. Omo monya a chroma encounter with abrofon kwara no. They make an omotiasi. Abrofon kwara. Madam Fubi. Madam Fubi. Neba auto Tesla. Neba boy with the best 7 or said 8 or said 8. Madam Fubi new Tesla. Anopa, Accra way, the bus stop to Nifie and do 3 minutes walk. Accra catch and papa say, on final bus stop now, I'm for who's a jack. I na Accra over Casa papa. Dear Pana, watch your bus stop war. Now say, girls blue, walk around, watch the cafe. Na Madame Fui, or no, or Yankania Korao, or the sister and so papa yedi, brawa bread. Remember 16 years, and so on Jessica got papaya. Then the bear catch and say, Chimmy from a bus stop because maybe some for girls who say, me part of Tesla for. Jack, as some question, Krumano at Titina were too much. Into your buana moon, Tiana would say, Jack, untumino ma. Untumino man didn't come chroma and have a conversation without this kid correcting you. I tell you, I'm a moment of Africa. And Korana Bemo say Uticha Korano. I said, you know what, Shono, Uticha no crash or bong, make Kabi and Kora 8 years and 4 years. Make Captain Catro. Omutimani Paro, what home? It wasn't my D never to Mrs. Timunkoda. Remember 8 o'clock, Romina call. Remember 8 o'clock. Meba, Yawa, 1 month. Now I started a daycare near the code. Remember, undi more than 1 month with you. 1 month now code daycare. Remember 8 o'clock now I die. They'll start to move upstairs from 7:30. No more static goodbye. 8, you are shut down. It's about 7:45. Mr. Munyana Monko. Now, Mr. Freedom, because some more have many freedom. Masanko for way money paying freedom. Sunday we party and can once a demonstration. African dance in America. We need to demonstrate. Your money share so. Your money made to me cover for my own toilet. Your money for straight here. Your man couldn't get no brofuna. Omo makiano. Omo mani peninje. Yapon that around the Yapon ya chekra. Yapon show no. Bear 20 minutes in your point. Yapon that. Jack. Ubokeles ombesru. Abrochenkora. America fonkwara. But say where the nana me pebiaki catch them. Your words here you see. Oh, something like when me could do face here for a something like there's so many words normal words. I mean, Miss me ban Zara catch him where to be that. Miss Mentiasia, according to Tiasia Mentiasia. I'm Zara. Sheminenim, my bro. Z, my bre on Tiasia. Onti me hustler say. Onim say those times me top fan book a minimum parties ye twem 3 no be on tis ade na say. Onim say na fan book no any yogurt ni twem 4 and as a pocket ni twa half near the half amount. Onim me problem. Onti ammonia emo ase anwa mo ase onti ase. Metimi tina am say me may. Me say look my back. Metimi kan so mo hwa mechi. Ye twa mechi o. But in Korano, Badaki upon with the Ebeshia Monday. Kukum, aha! Wouldn't you know a cucumba and you tiati? I'm your friend the cucumba. I said, dead day. I not name my mission and I'm ho. I so own tea. I, or dear Madame de Onon Cassa, quiet. And so tea de Kujida. Na Oka cucumba. This is also the MC cucumba. I've owned your own cat. So Oka cucumbo. So Oka cucumbo. So Oka cucumbo. Just a word no because wouldn't be correct and crowd to me more pressure. I dare no so him say cucumbo. Say cucumbo. Say cucumbo. Just say Maccabi Friday. Into your window. And Korano, I say Yabusao. So what's the name? Or say Kakumba? I say what? As a cucumba? I say that as a it's Yanka Dian. I did say cucumba. Adie C-U-M-B cucumber. I'll say okay. The day okay yes say. Okay yes say. Just say ye hu de yenye ho nipa ho tete no. Adie bresuni. Adie tete sam. Ya dia tete sam na ye be wo abrofo ma ye ntumi nya freedom. Entumi kan ye ni ankasa ye abrofo ma ye ho ntoye. Ye brofo ye katiti ntem. Me see ye kan de ye katiti ntem. How are you? Enkora we uka mo ntiase. Word na edian cucumber na se cucumber. Yidie cucumber na aka tete na apple, cucumber, carrot. Ai, oka carrot sisi angofo beka se wetin. Me so de anuma na carrot C-A-R-R-O-T carrot. Me koka carrot e be da ne asem foforo. Spinach e be kan asem. Ade ne katitintem me mai so katitintem na da ne asem. Da ankora we na me see water ya e choka water. Me so adi so be katrebe and dan is ha. Me boga. Ya de pokia de atwea any alewa. Ogo can water. Pass me the water asamaba. So can you give me the water? Just say I will say you done no water and the yes water. Water is water. Water is life. Come on, Gavin. Me see abrofu go for no more battery. Ultimate battery. Battery ultimate knife ultimate. Hey, where to the door so. I'm for bro krom how. Hey, because I abrofu Toronto, you to be Toronto, Toronto. Hey, now I'm sit there, I make my last story in Chiremo. Nami musa abrofu kwara. Ja abrofu kwara. Yenam and I made driving. And me, I like it when you see me. I never knew say when somebody drives you, it's so nice. More times in a minute, my family they call Abontina, me I'm driving. So a couple of times I feel me say they be anam they show wife in say wife in driving. So how to come no be driver nice fucking. Now they be now wife in one am nkofo we ku baby come you come na ho aba. Oh so there are some things naturally unyini wo ma a chair later than a ringy, right? So I was driving, it wasn't even any do traffic light to be. And yet in a city crowd somewhere, but there was a lot of trees. Like I looked around and I didn't even check my surroundings. I just lowered a shadow and I just spit out. And I'm trying to switch it to go about today because I had some phlegm in the Messiah somewhere I'm king. I mean I'm coming and then my man said, what? And I was like, I didn't see. And I'm said, Dad, what did you just do? And I was like, but to show about today, I said, what? And when I'm saying, I said, and I'm going to say, I didn't have tissue here. Zara so on tiasie. I didn't know me rush to go about today. So Z, you know, it was something I had to do. I said, no. Because I can't read. You drew fianco for a petri no come more. Adia, you papa row I shall not to go about to say, move bottom and them if you have a say deport me. Many omo, Mr. And the wedding can be deported in there and then came in the Mekogana. Minimicana into Siabam na may have started to zero. Monty vida almost all Montias yes say. I was supposed to swallow it. That's what about Masa, in some costu abroche chrome abrochenko as abrofun quarano. Sabrofun quarana muhomo, abrofun quarano. Abronia quara wedi 4 years or the same bibinia quara wedi 12 years. Mina make catch row. Midufia Majins as some less to one and my buy say in Corana Bay report. Me, I'm say report to Bay. I see me Marco Raj Shakotun to Suga Bontene. I'm say, where the Incaboni Bay? I feel me, you know, becoming Wisha. I adaya. Makoto to Suga Bontine be deported. I say, is your body ban my old chroma say, a dear pan my year. Say, Medru baby number to Suga boy, make Obian Podigo and go be a light one you. In Kofo we say, and then Kayas Uncle Hona make question to zero bottom.
So when you come, Kokoda. Say, what you know when you come to Coalition Center, Nakobo Electoral Commission for home by the MIA.
Miracle Aboagye. Wajia to ye. Miracle Aboagye. Oruso Muzembi before Jimmy 2024 or Chipudio. Yes, someone can go press conference. 2 million Ghana, no more 30,000. More fanko, no the diaconate to order the mobile. Wajiji omwa men na basa kakraka Jimmy, onso mwe Jimmy. Na Miracle Aboagye ene Masamudu ene eye Mustafa de eti table ho a ohun amus nyina so mwe Jimmy. Saa kwa na akoko bi ni sini ni ase no. Wajisika 2024 wajido. Or the press conference, Bawumia communication. Debia press conference, wajisika to ye. Onzo mo Jimmy. Because the more they keep Bawumia in front of the party, the more he makes money. And I'm here. Say, if they change the leadership of the NPP, and I change Bawumia, Miracle Aboagye is nobody. So why do you think he's always screaming? He's protecting his wealth. Na mumu smart na. Miracle Aboagye, the day you change Bawumia as a flag bearer, Miracle Aboagye becomes a poor man from that day. Miracle Aboagye no DC ene Kufuado se abokro no ne pamono me de ne se onfa determination letter mra na onkyere se enye sika no wia ne pam no ontumi nye. Miracle Aboagye me say I dared him. Me say oye DC na pamono no onfa determination letter me kyere se ye pamono because of nothing. They sacked him because he stole money. I dared him. Show us your termination letter. Na yenhwe wan kata party pamon. So this guy, he knows to say, Mahmoud Bawumia anya flag bearer. He's not going to make a dime. Into a dime osino or the Bawumia na esi woni trim. Plan. It is because he wants to still live that lifestyle. Bawumia as sustaining money. The more Bawumia leads the party, the more he's rich. Anamebwa. Jimmy, can't you see what they are doing? All these people, Bawumia is the cash cow. Samere is the cash cow. Baby, Abu Bob Mojefri no Bawumia wealth. Because Bawumia made a lot of money in power. Hey, Ope politician Onye Sikapa and the NPP Bawumia. Last minute, I myself the NPP. I didn't take any money. Hey, Bawumia. Now, what will make Bawumia leave the Bank of Ghana and come and join the NPP and say, I'm going to follow Kufuado? What will make somebody who works at the Bank of Ghana to say, okay, I want to quit Bank of Ghana and go and follow Kufuado, a political party? He saw what was there. It was the money he was chasing. The Bank of Ghana money wasn't enough for him. Bawumia never knew the NPP. Ne papa and NPP ni. Bawumia never had any affiliation with the NPP. Bawumia saw an opportunity and he took it because Ohun say NPP for ne Jimmy. So Brandon Huye, because majority are illiterates. The NPP for idea omo penny so because a lawyer and I say oh yeah economist and one here. Doctor, lawyer, economist, we o giant grow more power. Sa no tie. Because majority no nko school nko echiri, omudu Jesus no mo jai. Musa dankwa ene beka kire. Enti dodo no omu obi oye doctor, omu obi oye lawyer, obi oye economist onim nyansa. So automatically the moment you brand yourself and go into the NPP like me yo, because the masses now, the foolish masses of the NPP, you know, they automatically see you as an intelligent person. And it's about Bawumia joining NPP, no. At a point, they never questioned Bawumia's theory. They never questioned the things he was saying because majority of them are illiterate. They are ignorant. They don't understand it. Oh, say, now majority of the time, no, Ghana for doing send Napo Nyansa until they make Napo the running mate. Until they made Bawumia the flag bearer. Bawumia Jimmy ni until you can say walk alone or done in Liverpool you say hey sa kwa we onam syndrome ni mu. We didn't see it because Ekufuado the criminal was shadowing Bawumia. Enti Bawumia concert na ni yehu gestures ni ye. It did not show clearly until say ka say walk alone. Enti Bawumia bien no as a damn it, yeah mistake. Yes. Nana posted in Ghana for a long time. Wabe MP DND you say Napo Doctor Napo DND ye be a chain say on Wangasa Nanti or Danny Liverpool you would say hey South Ankuba Liverpool we Jimmy or Kasa I say Bini Jinani Trim. And this is what we have thousands of such people in the MPP. And the MPP hail them because 90% of the people follow MPP are daft. Masa, we are simple maths. Yepe bema osi Aboagye. Yepe bema abedi nkomo ede tumi abefia osi Aboagye. Napo Bawumia Apo Kennedy. I can pick somebody randomly from the MPP. I'm not sure how powerful and how we understand politics in Ghana. Myself and my team, we can pick a random person from the NPP, take the person away for 1 year. 1 year. We will bring the person back. That person will lead the NPP. Mo di say ntwamwa NPP mo di say nkokɔ. Me hu mo say nkokɔ. Myself and my team, we can randomly pick one person from the NPP and take that person away for a year. And we can put that person somewhere, clean the person up, and present the person to the NPP. We know your antidote. We know they're doing solving the problems. You're smart. You're John Fokura. So I don't work too hard to let Ghanaians know, say, marginal form. I don't do too much. Into these people, they are not some unique group beer, extraordinary. We know you people, marginal form. Whenever you people speak, me shame wana masre. So me kasa momba power be for the next 42 years, sir. Sadie we ye 4 years ago. I nim se momba power be 42 years. It is not just saying. Me say 2027, the party will break before you go into election 2028. I'm telling you. Party no, it will break up. Mobile elections, no money chairman, no money general secretary. I'm telling you, your candidate will not be even available to contest 2028. I'm telling you. Party ni be Johnny, obi abeja party wo ho Johnny. There will not mobile party office no be any ho. People will break away again from the NPP. Yes, because there's a last breakout or breakaway we need to happen before 2028. That breakup will happen. And Mojo say Canada Japan be break out. Canada Japan, they be amuni share nya ho na be si. Another breakout will happen.